behalf of the flight crew and Delta Airlines, welcome to Nashville.
It's our pleasure to welcome you to Nashville, where the local time is 6:05 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. You may receive an email from Delta asking you to share your experience with us. We value your feedback and use your responses to continually improve your travel experience. We invite you to download and use the Fly Delta app for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. As you deplane, please remember to look around your seat and make sure you have everything you brought on board. On behalf of Delta and the Los Angeles-based crew, we've enjoyed having you on board and we look forward to seeing you soon.